So first of all, a function is basically a function is a reusable code that you can use again and again. That can be used again and again. A function is created using the keyword def, followed by the name of the variable, name of the function actually. Okay. And then we followed by name of the parameters that we use to pass in the function. So let's start the code for the functions. So def is the keyword. Then I say add, and then two parameters a1, a2, and then I put colon here. So, and then I choose another variable result equals to a1 plus a2, and then I say return, and then the name of the variable. In order to make it that I am in this function, let's print out a sentence that shows function add is called. And then I run it here. And what we can do here is that we can also see the value of the result. And value of result is, and then we put result here. And then we run it. So the function is now being created for us. The name of the function is that. It has two parameters, a1, a2. It is saving the result, and the return result is returned. Now, in order to call this, what we can do is we can say, like, for example, my answer. And here we say add. And here we pass the variable 3 and 4. And when I say there, print my answer is, or sum of, let's say this way, sum of 3 and 4 is, comma, my answer. And when I run it, what will happen? It will go to here, print this line, add two numbers, print this line, and return it. So this result would be then assigned to my answer and will be printed here. Let's see if it does work or not. And it is there. Function at its call, this one. The value of the result is 7 in this function, and then it is written here. And then I can see this line, which means that the value which was here is written and placed into my answer. And then we can see this. So this is how the function works. Hope it makes you sense. Okay.